Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Clover, South Carolina, and I'm going to show you a modern townhome with luxury upgrades without the luxury price. I'm Talia Johnson with Living in Charlotte, Homes and Real Estate, and today I'm in Clover, South Carolina at Townhomes Penley Place. Clover is 30 minutes outside of Charlotte and 30 minutes from Rock Hill, South Carolina. It's an up-and-coming small town with good schools and a lower cost of living. This community will have 134 townhomes, and the model that I'm going to show you is called the Longfield. It's 2 stories, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a 1-car garage, with an extra parking space for additional vehicles. And guess what, y'all? The price is only $265,000. But before I get started, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can get the latest updates on new construction homes in and around Charlotte. Stay tuned to the end so I can let you know what the builder is offering. You guys need to know what the deal is. Now let's get into it. Check out this Longfield floor plan. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted by gorgeous LVP flooring all over the first floor. The kitchen is a dream, featuring stylish upgrades like quartz countertops, trendy sink hardware, chic pendant lights, and a stunning backsplash. The dining room also boasts an upgraded pendant light, while the living room keeps you cool with a ceiling fan. This is a one-of-a-kind floor plan in this community, but don't worry, each townhome has its own unique vibe. I hope you enjoy the tour of the Longfield Townhome. This community offers a playground with slides and swings for the kids to enjoy. Now, the deal that True Homes is offering is 6% towards your closing costs. Now, that's a deal. It's over $15,000 to help you buy this house. So if you're moving to Charlotte, or if you're already living here and you need someone to help you find the best deal, reach out to me. I'll be happy to help. My contact information is below. Until the next tour, have a wonderful day.